Hey, you fine people, what's up? Joe here, High Standards Concrete, and I'm going to show you another one we're working on here with City Service Paving. Shout out Ron Worrell and Chris Maurer. And this is a full redo, handicap, bringing it up to compliance. It's way out of compliance, and we're going to make it right with new asphalt and new concrete. And I'll just give you a walkthrough. This is the end of day one, and I'll show you again at the end of the project what it looks like. So this is our entry here. We've got our fence up around this whole project. And I knocked out that demo this morning. There's actually a demo crew coming to demo all this. But I wanted to get a head start because I'm gonna have a form crew here in the morning. So I had my breaker here. We just went ahead and went for it and knocked out this section of curb and gutter. This is going to be new parking stalls, and the curb and gutter is going to have a variable height. It'll be a small curb face on the far end, a bigger curb face on this end. There'll be a drain at the end of this coming through this way, and we're going to trench. We'll put a drain in down there connecting to the existing drain. So, and again, coming back here, all of this is going to go down, be demoed, and if you can imagine here, this is going to ramp downwards, and the new sidewalk is going to be lower by 6 inches. So that's going to become a zero curb face. Right now, you've got what's called, a curb face. It's 6 inches, 7 inches. That's going to be flush, so you can just roll right over it on a wheelchair. That's what we call a zero curb. So all this sidewalk has got to go down lower. Break it out, dig out the dirt so you can get your thickness, and put new sidewalk in. And then it's going to ramp back up on this side and attach to the existing. We're not changing this stuff at the ATMs. We're just making this area here, and all these stalls here are going to be handicap parking stalls. They'll be able to get out of their vehicle, go up the zero curb, up the ramp, and get to the ATM. So that's what's happening with that. And over on this far end, I'll show you, this is a fun one here. These stairs will come out. This planter will come out. Handicap ramp going all the way down, 60 feet long, and attaching to the city sidewalk down there. By the far end where you see the sandbags will be the bottom of this ramp, 60 feet long. So if you're coming from the city sidewalk down here, come in, and whew, that's a swap. So now you got my view. Come in down there, it'll be the bottom of the ramp. You come up the ramp, you're going to be at this level instead of these stairs, not wheelchair compliant. See right here, this is where we saw cut. That concrete's going to stay. This concrete's going to go. The stairs are going to go. All that's going to go. And all of this parking lot is going to get an overlay, new striping, including the other side of the fence. Big asphalt project here. Not monstrous, but definitely a nice size piece of work for everybody involved. So there it is. We're going to get it done.